In an inner Melbourne terrace of Carlton stands Carlton Cottage, a reimagined 1870s workers' cottage, reborn for a young family. Designed by Lovell Burton Architecture, this home balances heritage and modern life, where flexibility, light, and craftsmanship carry through every corner. The project retains the original front cottage and adds a new wing at the rear, replacing ad hoc lean-tos with a clean, purposeful addition. The rear facade has large pivoting timber and glass doors, about 3.2 meter tall, that open toward the garden/laneway, blurring indoor-outdoor boundaries. The existing slab under the old cottage was removed, replaced by a lightweight framed floor to improve subfloor ventilation and manage moisture. Materials reused and local: recycled hardwood framing, salvaged bricks from demolished parts of the site for new walls. The house is organized loosely into 12 squares grid across the site. The existing cottage covers a quadrant: original rooms, bedrooms, study, bathroom. The new addition spans about 4 squares: living, kitchen, dining, plus a mezzanine above for bedrooms/flexible uses. Large pivoting doors and glazing allow the addition to be opened fully to the outdoor garden and laneway, facilitating cross-ventilation and letting interior spaces breathe. The skillion roof slope allows for higher ceiling in the addition, drawing eyes upward. Also, roof forms help redirect light. Burnished concrete flooring, reclaimed timber, steel mesh balustrades, lightness in structure. Joinery conceived as furniture rather than built-in fixed walls to maintain flexibility. Fixed joinery minimized. Furniture pieces and movable elements allow adaptivity of space. Surfaces are tactile: brick texture, timber grain, metal mesh, concrete floor, all adding to sensory experience. The site includes front and rear gardens, a courtyard separating old and new parts of the house that acts as both outdoor room and light air source. Carlton Cottage is a lesson in balance: heritage and innovation, permanence and pliability, light and shadow. In keeping old walls, reusing materials, and arranging space flexibly, this home grows with life. A place for family to gather, adapt, explore, rest, and for the everyday to become tender architecture.